I was born in 1965 in Yate, England. Ever since I was little, I loved reading books and creating stories of my own. I had a big imagination and enjoyed making up fantasy worlds and characters. Writing became one of my favorite things to do, and even as a child, I knew storytelling was something that was special to me. As I got older, I studied French at the University of Exeter and even spent time living in Paris. After graduating, I worked different jobs while trying to figure out my future. Even though life felt uncertain at times, I never gave up on my dream of becoming a writer. I kept writing ideas and hoping one day they would become something even larger. In 1990, while I was on a delayed train from Manchester to London, the idea of Harry Potter came to me. I imagined a young boy who discovers he is a wizard and enters a magical world. I began thinking about Hogwarts, the teachers, and all the adventures he would have. That train ride changed my life forever. Life became very difficult for me during this time. My mother passed away, and later I moved to Portugal where I got married and had my daughter. After my marriage unfortunately ended, I returned to the United Kingdom as a single mother struggling financially. Even during those hard times, I kept writing because I believed in my story. I spent many hours writing Harry Potter while sitting in cafes with my daughter beside me. When I finished the first book, I sent it to publishers, but many of them rejected it. It was discouraging, but I refused to give up. Eventually, Bloomsbury decided to publish my book after the publisher's daughter loved reading it. In 1997, my first book, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, was finally published. I was excited and nervous because I had no idea how much it would grow. Readers quickly fell in love with Harry's world of magic, friendship, and adventure. What started as one book soon became something so much bigger. The Harry Potter series became a worldwide success with millions of readers across the globe. The books were turned into major films, theme parks, and many other projects. I became one of the most well-known authors in the world. It was amazing to see something I created connect with so many different people. Today, my books continue to inspire readers of all ages around the world. Harry Potter has become a part of popular culture and has encouraged many people to love reading. Although my journey was full of struggles, it showed me the power of persevering. My story proves that even difficult beginnings can lead to incredible successes.